Hello everybody. So today I would like to look at how to connect a surface back across these curves that we made in the previous lesson. So let's go into the Geo node, and this is where we were last time, where we'd created these columns which were converted from rows in this sort node. I want to go back again to what we had before, and so all I'm going to do is I'm going to actually disconnect this sort node. I do that by just wiggling it. So if I connect it there, you want to know how to disconnect it, just hold down, shake it a bit, and free it comes. Okay, then I'm going to go back to my add node, and now I see that I have my rows again. Now how do I connect some polygons back to get it back to the original grid that we had back here? Well, the way to do that is by using something called the skin node, and I will add my skin node. Okay, there we go. All right, connected. There we go, it's done. Now all the skin node works by connecting curves. So as we saw in this previous node, we just have these rows of curves. The skin, of course, will connect those curves together again. What I would like to notice though is the connectivity. As you remember, in the grid node we had this connectivity where we could have quadrilaterals, triangles, rows and columns, etc, right? And in the skin node we have exactly the same. So we're pretty much back to where we began. Here we've got the quadrilaterals, we can go into rows, columns, triangles, alternative triangles, etc, right? So yeah, that's that one done. So any questions, comments or criticisms, please leave them below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Okay, you guys have a great day.